Hello everyone, this is John Hill again. So today we're just doing a little Polleverywhere quick explanation of this little assignment or optional kind of clarification piece that a teacher could use just to see where the students are in the class and what subjects they might have not grasped. Because it's not always easy for the student to come up and say, "Hey, I don't understand this." It just doesn't. It's not clicking in my mind, or I don't know what dates the battles are, and this just kind of gets their mind started and gets them thinking about what we've already reviewed. So it's kind of it can be used for two different things. It can be used just to get the students, remembering, maybe as a little footnote or a wrap up, just to see what they're where just to refresh their memory on the four key points that you were talking about. And then even better, they can record a response. Like if they were talking about the Revolutionary War, for instance, they could say, I really don't remember the colonial life leading up to the Revolutionary War. So all you have to do is click that and finish. And then it's that easy. And you can do it from your phone because it's a link. You can do it. You can even make it from your phone. You can make it anywhere. So it's really quick. It's really easy. I've had it in my classes where I don't know where I don't know where I'm at in the course almost, and it kind of does help just to show you, like I said, as a memory tool, just to show the students the four key points. And then if there's something that was murky for me, I'll just, select something, and then hopefully it'll be reviewed in the next class. And if not, it gives me a topic to go talk to the teacher at least and say, hey, I didn't really understand this. Can we talk about that? And as you'll see here, I did say the colonial life leading up to the Revolutionary War was the topic that I didn't understand the most. So it will show you how many people have responded, how many are underway. So it's really cool that way, and I think it's definitely something I'll be using in my future classes, just kind of as a wrap up for each of the texts, and kind of leave it as an optionary thing. So if they feel like they know everything so far and they feel like they're good with all four categories, they don't have to respond. But if there is something they'd like further clarification on, it's a great tool to use because it is anonymous. Thank you.